we welcome our Irfan sir. He is already working in the international project. He has a 14 years experience in the HSC field. He has dealt various projects, and now once he joined with us, he completed the NEBOSH ID program in the first attempt. And he is having the transitional safety practitioner also. So many plans he is having in the pipeline, which may be come true in 2024. We will find a lot of things on his LinkedIn in 2024. So we called him here for the all the learners' purpose to get a idea how a learner is going to complete the ID part and what type of the problem or thing or what are the things they decided. So you can get a more insight about that because the exam will be coming after the 2 days. So all the learners are requested, please, if you have any type of a query, any type of a question having in your mind, any small question also, we can take the advantage of his experience and we can apply for our success also. So we welcome to the Irfan sir. Please, first of all, that again very happy to see you. You came with a small notice. You came to for this meeting, and
Yeah, no issue, sir.
yeah, and really, whatever the you have very great exposure. We know that part. So we want you to enlighten the all the people with your knowledge, whatever the how you crack this ID part in a first attempt. So because everyone is interested to get this certificate in 2024 in hand.
Right,
So
right.
I hope it will help you. So thank you. The floor is for all the people and learners. I will be keeping mum and then it's up to you and our director, sir. Yes.
नमस्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते।
नमस्ते जी सर।
और देखिए आपके
सर,
कितने फैंस हैं आप एक
हाँ देख रहा
सेलिब्रिटी
हूँ
बन
सर।
गए। या फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम वार्म वेलकमिंग मिस्टर इरफान अली खान
थैंक यू सर।
okay for this wonderful tutorial platform, okay, and he's a really good like a benchmark for all of us, okay, and he's a highly skilled professional, okay, and passing up the NEBOSH in the first attempt IDip, okay, is really great wonder actually, great wonder actually. So you have done very well. I hope you are prepared to go to the UK, coming to UK on 16th of September with your family. I heard that.
Yes. Mm.
So for you, for meeting with you, I'm bringing Mr. Rahul Aaron also. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So Rahul Aaron, myself, Vandana Madam, and Firoz Alam, four of us will be coming to meet you.
Inshallah, soon, sir.
Okay. So now, this is last time we we requested Mr. Firoz Alam to speak about the experience, how he has been cracked successfully. So it is all of us are knowledgeable. If any great people, okay, great people giving some valuable tips, okay. So it matters lots, okay. Now you are the footprint of successfully you have done this, okay. So whatever the tips you are going to speak to in this forum, okay, that will be very value added for all of them, okay. So now mic is to you, and I'm keeping myself mute, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, everyone. Myself, my intro has been given by the Rahul sir. You people already know to me, and I have seen a lot of users. First thing I will tell you all that you have chosen the right place for NEBOSH ID. You can hear me, right?
Yes, we can hear.
Yeah, yeah. So I will first thing I will say that you have chosen right institute for NEBOSH ID because you will get lot of things to be learned and lot of support from the all the colleagues and especially from Rahul sir. This first thing which I have been get. So you people also will be means you will be getting all the things from Mr. Rahul sir. And secondly, I will say that share my experience regarding which exam you are going to write now. Means ID2 or ID3?
ID2,
ID2, sir.
ID3. ID3. Okay.
ID2, ID2.
So ID2.
Yes.
Okay, all right. See, any exam as per me, any exam, if you will do all the task, means my first thing is, see, I have some bad experience and I have some good experience as well. I have did something, I have not did something which I face. I I have faced that situation. So I don't want you people to be face that situation. So I will give my negative things which I have done mistakes. So you should not be repeat. You should not do that mistake again in your study time. So first thing I will tell you, do all the tasks. The first, all the elements from whichever elements you have in ID2, all the elements you do the task. Whatever is topic is, whatever Rahul sir has been given you the task, you completed all the tasks. Why I am saying this? If you have all the tasks with you, so in the final exam, when you have a paper in your hand, what you will see, this practice you already done. Okay, you have some answers. Okay, with you, at least the command words you have, or at least the points you have to make the sentence. At least you can link with the scenario. Okay, these things you have in hand, because you have very limited time and the paper is very, means it will take 15 days time to write, but it's not easy and it is not difficult. I mean, if you practice well, if you study well, and if you have a note and task with you, it is really, I'm saying, in 7 days you can complete your paper, and 7 to 8 days or 10 days maximum, and 4 days you will keep for the review and submission. Okay, so first thing what I will say that prepare your each task. Okay, then second thing is the previous questions. Okay, make sure that you have solved all the previous questions. All. Okay. Sometimes I have not been submitted the task, but I have been always focusing on the previous question. Because NEBOSH, what from my side, what my experience is, NEBOSH is twisting the questions from the previous question paper only. This is the main thing what I see. Somehow there will be a new questions, but as per the scenario, they are twisting the questions, like they ask risk on the same question. They will ask the hazard, or they will ask the control measures. So somehow you are getting the points if you doing the task daily wise, daily, whatever time you have. See, I am HSC manager. I am not getting time even 2 3 hours, because in my time I have sitting in classroom with in front of Rahul sir more than 4.5 hours or 5 hours sometimes. So this is very difficult time. But what you have to spare this time at least for this exam. Okay, once you will get the result, you will come to know. So spare whatever you have. Okay, then starting from one, first thing, the task. Do your task. Really, I am saying, if you don't have the task in your hand, no, it is like a blind. If someone is coming for the examination and he don't know anything, he will see like, "Oh, yaar, ye to bahut bada exam hai, yaar, main kya likhunga." He will like a shock. If he's having the task, no, he will say, yeah, I have completed this one. I have a note for this one. I have a record for this one. Second thing, you collect the references. Okay, keep all the references with you. Okay, whatever from hsc.uk, whatever from the book Shield, whatever from our 3S book, make the note for the references. Okay, and make in Excel or make in Word, whatever you want. Or if you want to connect with the hyperlink, you connect it, no problem. Okay, just keep the link with you. This will help you to not waste your time. Means if you have, like, working at height, if you have a working at height or accident investigation, okay, whatever link is there, HSG, okay, 65 or 63, so you just keep the link with the working at height name, and keep there one hyperlink. So if the question has been asked for the working at height, so you can directly click on the link and you can get the points. Okay, do not write the things from any of the sources which is not relevant to HSC. HSC means related to HSC. First, as Rahul sir said, I always follow that one. HSC.uk, first preference. Okay. Take all the links, all the document from it is available. It's very huge inside. If you'll go deeper, no, you will get all the links there. All the documents, link, you can download it and you can write your answer. Okay. Then you go to our book, you refer that book. Okay, but simply don't copy your sentences and put in your answer sheet. Okay, because what will happen, the paper will be almost, and write whatever you want, at least more than 50 pages, more than 50 pages. In ID1 we had write more than 100 pages, right sir? 110 pages something.
Yes.
So if you will write more and more, no, what will happen, this is I get from here only. I will say that I the same time when I was studying, no, maybe you have also colleagues in other institution they are studying, but I know I have when I was studying, I linked to the other colleague also. Well, those are in NIST or Green World. They had been they have been also submitted the task, but I know if the task the point they submitted for 10 marks question like 10 points only. So what you will get, the if the point your point is not matching as per the NIBOSH examiner, they will cut your point, because they need some points which they can mark, they can give the marks on that. So if you have a 10 marks question, at least write a 20 points. Okay, at least write 22 points. If you can write more, write it down. Okay, add on, you are write 25 points, no more, it's not a issue. Don't think that I'm writing too much and it's getting, but don't write such thing which is means not relevant. Okay, relevant to the question only you have to write. Okay, 10 marks question, you write it 20 points. Then please be remember the PE principle. Okay, don't just write the point. You have to write the point. You have to provide the evidence, and you have to explain it. Really, I'm saying, if you're just some people are just giving the bullet points. Okay, working at height. Okay, people has to be wear harness or fall protection like that. Okay, will not work. Okay, you have to write the point, then you have to give the evidence from the scenario, then explanation. Okay, then the third thing is schedule and plan your means how you are going to, when you see the paper, plan yourself how and how you are going to each task, when you are going to finish this task. Means if you have a huge paper this and a task is like one task is about 25 marks or 20 marks, so when you are going to finish this exam, this task, you have to note it down, schedule yourself. Without scheduling means this I have to achieve this time, otherwise you cannot achieve the timing. And last time what will happen, you will not get the time for reviewing. Okay, so you will not get the time for review. No, what will happen? You need time to review. Otherwise, blindly submitting your paper, there will be a plagiarism. There will be a such content which is from internet, or there will be some mistake from your side. Sometimes what will happen, where if you are making your answer like task one, task two, if you are not directly writing on the answer sheet, so what will happen while uploading? You can do a mistake by uploading the wrong answer, wrong means the answer to the wrong question. Okay, so this can be happen. And while loading or submitting your documents, finally it can be means it will be lot of error can be happen. So I am telling that you just schedule your timing. Okay, so you can get the proper time like 2 days or 3 days for the reviewing, and then you submit your paper easily. Okay, first thing is this is my experience. Okay, apart from this, I will say the paper will be not so difficult. If it will be, you have done very hard job, means it's not difficult, I will say. And ID3 is quite not difficult as compared to ID1 and ID2. But study well. Even ID3 people are getting loose, and lot of people are getting pass as well. Those are study well, they will get pass 100%. I'm sure the hard work will be shown in your paper. So make all the tasks from all the element. Whatever they are going to ask, we don't know. What they are going to ask, we don't know. And they will ask such type of question which will be you will confuse. So my one more thing I want to add on this to you guys: when you see the question, no, read carefully. Really, ये question actually पूछता क्या है? What the question is asking? Nibos normally people are getting fail, no, because एक एक question को बिना पढ़े और बिना समझे कुछ भी लिख देना, ये एक कारण है। ये एक दिस इज द वन ऑफ द रीजन पीपल आर राइटिंग द रॉन्ग आंसर टू द क्वेश्चन एंड गेटिंग फेल्ड। ओके, तो ध्यान रखिए, आपकी मेहनत है, आपने इतना सारा टास्क किया हुआ है, तो एक चीज का और ध्यान रखिएगा कि क्वेश्चन जो है, वॉट एवर क्वेश्चन दे आर आस्किंग, रीड केयरफुली उसका मतलब क्या होता है। इवन व्हेन आई रीड द क्वेश्चन, आई आस्क राहुल सर that I want to translate this one. So translate this in your native language, like Telugu, Hindi, English, Urdu, whatever language, just to understand what question is. You just translate the question. Okay. Translate the question and understand in your native language so you can answer it well. Okay. So Rahul sir, this is from my side. If they want to ask any question from me, I am ready to respond.
Yeah, good. Thank you. Yeah. Now all the learners have any one by one. You can ask your doubt. Whatever you want to ask. Anything else you can please ask. Yes. Yeah.
Empowering, 3 years safety, 3 years excellency. 3 years empowering, 3 years safety, 3 years excellency.